Hi, my name is Kevin Krupp. I'm with Supplier Support International, and I wanted to take a minute to show you our dual tank manifold setup that we've created. This is something that is customizable. If you choose to hook up 3 tanks, totally something we can do. So what it involves is it's a first stage regulator. So this is taking the 250 psi tank fitting and pulling it down to 5 psi on the outlet. And this is actually a tool-less fitting. It's a POL, so you just crank this fitting in, but reverse thread. So basically, one of these is needed for each tank. That's kind of what we do. The benefit of that is you can pop it off like this if you wanted to pop it off, and you could run just from one tank, and you could swap out the tank and then come back and plug it back in. So this is a really nice setup for a quick setup application, something that you're not always going to run. You're not plumbing it, but it's something you want to put away. A couple applications like a pool heater, you shut it down in the winter, or a food truck where you want to disassemble it and go change your tanks, or off-grid cabin where you want to just pull it out when you want to grill while you're hunting. So this is a dual tank manifold. It's got 2 hose outlets. If we had a 3 tank, we'd add another hose to it and another regulator. So these are our first stage regulators. They go into our manifold where we can hook up to a hose. So this is, for example, this is a 50 feet of 3/8 inch hose. It's about 7 pounds, not very heavy, but it has 2 leak-proof quick connect fittings on the ends. This one would plug into our manifold, just like that, and then remotely, 50 feet away from your tanks, you could have a second stage. So this is what we call a second stage regulator. It's color-coded green, but what we do is we put a gauge on it so you can see the actual gas pressure to your application. So if you want exactly 10 inches, you can throttle this by adjusting it to get the, to counter the offset for the pressure drop in your hose. So this is something that you'd come quick connect here. This would actually be mounted to your application. Your pool heater, this would be mounted to your furnace, this would be mounted to whatever application that may apply. And then you would quickly pop it off when you're not using it. And this would be something that you could set up, collapse, and store for the winter. So if you have any questions, contact Supplier Support at 770-529-5640 or reach out to us at sales@suppliersupport.com. Thank you.